Workers' comp isn't just a legal requirement, it's a safety net that can save your business when the unexpected happens. Here's what it does for you. It protects your employees by covering their medical costs after a work-related injury. Whether it's an emergency room visit, surgery, or months of physical therapy. It keeps part of their income coming in while they recover, so they can focus on getting better instead of stressing over bills. If their injury means they can't go back to their old job, workers' comp helps for training so they can start fresh in a new role. For life-changing injuries, it offers long-term financial support. And in the most tragic situations, it provides benefits to your family, helping them cope during an incredibly difficult time. But it's not just helping employees, it's about protecting your business too. Without workers' comp, you could face huge medical bills, lost productivity, and costly lawsuits. With it, you can run your business knowing you're covered, your team is cared for, and your legal obligations are met. With Next Insurance, getting covered is quick and simple. Apply online in minutes, get proof of coverage instantly, and know you're protected. Click the link in the description to start today.